Hey guys, what's going on? Here today I have the 2011 Hyundai Elantra Limited. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Elantra. We'll start up to the engine, go to my homestead and get a soft clip, and show many of the features on the towards the exterior. So, without further ado, just going to start it up, let it run. Also comes with Hyundai's smart key access system. Just put your key fob in your pocket. Notice the black buttons on the passenger as well as driver's side door. Vehicle's unlocked now. Just tap it. One beep indicates locking. Hit it again. And two beeps indicate unlocking. It's a phantom black exterior with a beige leather interior. Also with the smart key access system, you do get push button ignition. Just put your foot on the brake, hold the button, start. Beautiful. It's got a full leather wrapped steering wheel, very smooth, with sidewalls and extensions. It's got a 6-speed automatic with Shiftronic manual shifting. You also got a rear backup camera with guidance lines. And we're going to turn the hazards. The headlights, fog lights, the automatic, fully automatic driver's side window. And we'll check the exterior. The vehicle will also beep. Let you notice lock detection of the proximity key fob. The 2011 Hyundai Elantra was the redesign. There were two different trim levels. The GLS which was the most basic one, which came with a 6-speed manual gearbox, or this particular one's limited, which you could opt for the navigation system, which this particular one has. And also with the limited, you could also get the technology package, which includes the smart key access system, push button start, navigation, and so on and so on. Full power sunroof. Here we're going to pop the hood. There was only one engine choice for the Elantra. The 1.8 liter 16 valve 4-cylinder. Produces 148 horsepower at 6,500 RPM. 131 foot-pounds of torque at 4,700 RPM. Has a 12.8 gallon fuel tank with an EPA estimated miles per gallon rating of 28 city, 38 highway. Not a bad power plant at all. Your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Full manual driver's seat, with manual recline, manual height adjustment, full manual sliding, as well as side airbags, as well as a full tilt, manually tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Your fuse box. As well as your traction control and your display brightness. Alright, just gonna see how it sounds. Beautiful sound. Shut it up. Climate control. Temperature. Different sounds. 2-stage heated seats. Front and rear defrost. USB as well as auxiliary input. And 12-volt power outlet, as well as a little bit of storage. Cup holders. Hyundai's MyLink system. XM.
Here's what's on all our Latin and world.
FM.
Yeah!
Thanks for warning.
Sound. It's mid-range tri-bulk auto volume. So let's turn your beep on and off, as well as your speaker equalization as far as just like I mentioned in some other videos about how equal the speakers are of how they put out sound. Media. There's no disc. So it's destination input, address, intersection, so it's emergency, and point of interest. That's the clock, as well as outside temperature. As well as your display. Night, day, automatic. So let's turn your brightness lower or higher. Display off. As was default. Trip computer, cruise control, volume controls. So mute. Hands-free telephone. Turns off automatically when the visor flips up. Speaker for your hands-free telephone. Full power sunroof. Also your trip computer. This vehicle also has 36,000 miles on it. Not too bad. Alright, shut it down. Check the rest of the vehicle. Yes, they're rear heated seats, which is quite nice for this vehicle, this class. Cup holders. As well as coat hooks. mats. Has a nice amount of cargo space too. Not very bad at all. It's very nice for a family. And a great first car. This is actually the #1 car of the year 2012, I believe. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 2011 Hyundai Elantra Limited. Check you next time. A lot more of that came from. Take care, everybody.